2019, a brand of crisps called Walkers, also known as Lay's, Smith's, Chipsy, Tappa Chips, Margarita or Sabritas, have been doing a prize draw called All I Want for Christmas with Mariah Carey's face all over it, because nothing says getting free stuff quite like a song about valuing love over material possessions. Whatever, I'm sure the prizes are still good. Let's see, there's an Xbox One X 1TB, which is the most convoluted name for a console I've ever heard, Beat Studio free wireless headphones, a Netflix premium annual subscription, £500 or euros in cash. Wait, what? I suppose I should explain. This offer is valid in both the United Kingdom, which uses pounds, and the Republic of Ireland, which uses euros, and people tend to like multiples of 10. The problem is, Walkers fail to take into account a wonderful thing called exchange rates. You see, currencies aren't created equal, some are worth more than others. As of Christmas Eve 2019, and according to XE's currency converter, £500 is worth 584 euros and 40 cents, I think they use. Conversely, 500 euros is worth £427 and 79 pence. To put that into perspective, the Xbox One X 1TB costs £280 from game, which is the equivalent of €327.29. People in the United Kingdom are getting a better deal. Alternatively, you could be one of the 1,551 lucky people to win socks for Christmas. And so, I'll leave you with this thought. If the Atlantic Ocean is called the pond, should the Irish Sea be called the puddle?